Do you require physical therapy? Whatever your situation, the search can seem difficult if you don't know what questions to ask. Don't worry, it's simple with the right approach. Today we're catching up with a local expert in physical therapy who will help you find the right fit to best suit your ongoing needs.
One of the most frustrating things I hear as a physical therapist is when someone has pain or an injury and no intervention has seemed to help them. Or worse, they received treatment in the past, but it consisted of very passive interventions, such things as massage, ultrasound, electrical stimulation, heat, ice, and some very general exercises. Hi, this is Dr. Drew Morcos, founder of Motus Specialist Physical Therapy. With over 10 years of clinical experience as a physical therapist and former director of rehabilitation at the University of Southern California, I have seen it all. We have been expanding our skills to go beyond the basic approaches and exercise protocols. I can confidently say that not all physical therapists are the same. There is never the same patient presentation, thus there's never the same treatment program. Whether you have a new injury, a recurring injury, chronic pain, in search of preventative care, or have a nagging discomfort that has been bothering you for years, we can help. At the end of the day, the physical therapists you work with can make a difference if they are catering to your specific needs. Here at Motus, we focus on treating the individual to make the rehab process specific to getting you back to doing what you love and helping you perform better in every aspect of life. We look for the source of where the pain is generating from and not just treating where the pain is manifesting itself using a holistic body approach to treatment. We have extensive knowledge of pain science. We are able to accomplish this because we are more than just physical therapists. We are movement specialists. When thinking of other medical disciplines, such as a dentist, they are known for being specialists in teeth, a podiatrist in feet, a radiologist in imaging. Physical therapists are specialists in movement. Modus is Latin for movement, hence our name, Motus Specialists.
Hi, this is Dr. Tommy Andre, physical therapist. As movement specialists, we do not wait to react to an injury after it occurs. We take a proactive approach, analyzing your movement patterns with slow motion analysis to assess your movement faults that can lead to injury in the future. Our interventions utilize a movement systems approach to rehabilitation based on European science of breathing and primitive movement patterns. Additionally, we specialize in blood flow restriction therapy, traditional practice cupping techniques, and instrument-assisted soft tissue mobilization to improve mobility, functional strength, and coordination. Motus Specialist is located in a state-of-the-art facility working alongside elite sports performance trainers in proactive sports performance. We also have highly trained massage and meditation therapists, as well as utilizing other recovery techniques such as full body cryotherapy and Normatec compression therapy. We always provide one-on-one, hands-on treatment that is specific to your individual needs. Our hours are flexible and will not require you to take time away from your family life or your busy work schedule.
I'm often asked, how do you go about finding the best physical therapist? The problem is that finding the right physical therapist may feel overwhelming. How do you choose the best physical therapist for you in a field of clinicians that identify themselves as specialists in a variety of different areas? What do you do when you are referred to a clinic that has worked for others but is not meeting your needs or does not provide the outcome you were expecting? The good news is it doesn't have to be difficult if you know what to look for and you have the right questions to ask. We'd like to give you a few tips to help you find the right physical therapist. Tip number 1, do they have a great reputation? Just like in anything in life, people's perception of quality of care is based on results and improved performance. Does the individual get results from the treatments and are changes noticeable? At Motus, we keep you doing what you love and stand by our quality of care. Motus has been featured on the top news feeds such as New York Post, ESPN, and Yahoo.com. Tip number 2, do others recommend them? Strong recommendations from peers is more valuable than advertising or personal credentials. Do they have a strong presence in the social media world? Ask your peers about Motus in Orange County. We are recommended by top athletes who fly all over the US to be part of the Motus approach, as well as recommended by physicians sports performance trainers, and fellow physical therapists across the country when recommending physical therapy in Orange County. Tip number 3, what are their credentials? As mentioned before, not all physical therapists are the same. When considering a physical therapy clinic, you should ask, how did they stay up to the current research? How have they expanded their repertoire of clinical skills? Is their practice all based on research, knowledge, or clinical experience? At Motus, our desire to continuously learn and expand our knowledge has made us great physical therapists that we are today. We are constantly learning new intervention approaches through professional training, research, and education. Our background in education through USC, combined with our extensive certifications, allows us to provide the best possible care to every individual, whether you are a student, a worker, a fitness lover, or a professional athlete. At Motus, we are more than just physical therapists. We are movement specialists, and we want to keep you moving. So please give us a call at 949-891-1325 or check us out at www.modusspecialists.com.
And there you have it. Some great advice and a few simple tricks is all it takes to find the right professional that won't disappoint. Ready to learn more? You can reach today's expert by calling the number on your screen. See you next time.